monitor KP.
That
That is interesting to you.
interesting to me or to you? It's different. That's different. No, we had a really good lunch together. After the win yesterday, he wanted to celebrate with us. So we really appreciate that he invited us into his home, and we got the chance to meet him and his family. So we are really grateful, and yeah, we had a good time.
Any message from President?
You have to ask him. You have to ask him. No, but what I said, we had a really good lunch together. He said some nice words to all of us, that he was proud of us, and that yeah, we have to keep fighting. So we will do that, and yeah, most of all, we are really grateful to be here. Sorry? Optimist, yes, of course, yes. A little gift, I don't know, I didn't open it. Yes.
Did you guys sing together or?
We did actually sing together, everybody, so we had a really good time, I think. Most of the lunch was us singing together, so that means we have a really good bond together. Yeah, so that happened.
The next plan for the match? Preparation?
We're gonna leave tomorrow afternoon, to Japan, and we're gonna focus on the last game because it's still important. But for sure, yeah, we are really happy that we already qualified for the next round. So yeah, but what I said, we still have one more game, and it's important for us.
And obstacle that you guys worry the most?
Obstacle now. Yeah, of course we know next game is against Japan, but what I said before, now is just for us to celebrate after yesterday, and yeah, starting from today we're gonna focus on Japan.
Thank you.
Okay.
Mundur boleh mundur, teman-teman mundur dong.
Hello. No, we are really appreciated that we get this invitation, of course, by the President. And we're very grateful. Fantastic win yesterday, and we're building on the future.
What's the plan to next
Sorry?
the plan to the next match?
Well, tomorrow we leave to Osaka. Well, we have a game plan, but it's not convenient to tell it now. The most important thing is that the players need to know what they need to do. But we're going with a good feeling and show our heart for Indonesia on the pitch.
Do you think Japan is harder contender than China?
Well, they showed their skill, of course. They're top of the group. They have a very good team, but we will show also the skills that we have, of course.
Any message from the President for the upcoming match?
Good luck, enjoy, and give the heart for the country. And that's the aim. Okay?
Okay, thank you.